So a lot of gamers especially facing runtime error while extracting, while installing games from CD or USB, while launching new games. Sometimes after updating Windows or game or software, you guys are facing runtime error issues. To be honest, this is not a huge problem. There's a simple solution, as the name suggests. Runtime means the file you are trying to start is missing something to initiate. Let's focus on different aspects. Are GPU drivers not updated or might not be installed? Alright, is DirectX runtime installed properly? If not, the link is mentioned in the description. Go ahead, download and install, then restart your PC. It will resolve the issue. Lastly, C++ redistributable are missing or not updated to the latest version. Actually, these are the programs that help other software or games to start up. By the way, finding individual C++ version is kind of tough because there are a lot of them from C++ 2006 to 2023 and maybe more with time. The easiest way is to search on Google C++ redistributable all-in-one and hit enter, and you will get this website. I'll put the link in the description, making it easy to download all-in-one and install them with one click. Now after downloading, you will get these files with A to Z versions. What you need to do is just double click on install all.bat. Run the CMD file and it will install A to Z with one click automatically. Thanks me later. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will never miss any updates. See ya. Bye bye.